Okay, guys, this one those states. I felt don't do series of videos concerning the insecurity, the police brutality, the courtesan, and the kidnapping, wahala, and all of them together happening in my state, Edo State. What is currently trending right now in Edo State is the police brutality. I don't know what they are trying to do or how they are trying to push this Edolite to the wall to reciprocate. Yes, it's getting there. Yes, it's getting there because we continue to brutalize people. Obviously, they would like to fight back. Yes, the police brutality has been going on now for a while, and a lot of them are crying. The boys can't even come out of the house anymore. Some satanic set of police officers are taking advantage of the youth in those states right now to extort money from them for their own personal interest. I'd like us to take all these videos together, then I'll come back to you guys.
Police ye go Sambisa. Police ye go Sambisa. If Edo State don't tire una make una go Sambisa. If Edo State don't tire una make una go Sambisa. A very quick one. This is a message to Edo State Governor, the Inspector General of Police, to the Commissioner of Police, Edo State. This message now for una. We the Edo youth in one voice, they say we give una 48 hours. When I call all the policemen to order, yes, enough of this police brutality in Edo State, enough of this police harassment in Edo State. It don't too much. I know that if I see courts, I not go no. If I see what they do courts, I not go no. You don't feel find all the courts made there, they see them, they see them, they part of them. Now we Edo youths now when they harass, enough is enough. We they give una 48 hours. When I call a men to order, if we not call a men to order in 48 hours, we Edo youths go retaliate. NSAS volume 2 will happen again. And if Edo State start and the whole of Nigeria will shake. Yes. With the Edo youths, all they tell una now, 48 hours now they give una Inspector General of Police, Commissioner of Police, Governor of Edo State. Would any of them when they watch this video, wanna share this video till they see them? Because we Edo youths, this thing not to the pain us your body. Enough is enough.
Governor Bengo, you talk put this one not too much. The way Benin be like this now, if you come back from state CID, Mazo 5 pick you for road. Yes now, it don't tough now for Benin. If you do the come for state CID, go settle one problem. And see they go as Mazo 5 go pick you. Benin, Governor Bengo talk put me not go understand though. That one they pay me pass. What they pay me now? Okay, you can say one still day house. EFCC they do their own, they follow road. Oh boy. All those country road side, they don't finish boys on that side. Boys don't come up for Benin. It can't be like say even the leaders of the tomorrow, not even want me to see tomorrow. EFCC they do their own, they will just go there around 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning. They just go pack boys for different places for Benin. If you pack all these boys finish, after you don't sweep their account, seize their property finish. If that boy come back, wait if you say 1B. Okay, you can't talk pastor. When I think this thing well, boys don't run finish, come on for Benin. Don't we manage, they hide their head. They weird for they see they hide their head. When I still go out there around 4 a.m. go pack them. I beg you. Wow.
We went to the office of the Commissioner of Police to go complain to them, say our youth, police, they steadily they brutalize them, they manhandle them to the extent they want kill nightlife for Benin. Club now not the full again. Even our show, we will be comedian and there we take the chop. We will be MCs, that man. Now this show biz activities take the chop. People not agree come out again. Because if you come out, police must extort you. Though is aware of some that is going on, but some of them is not aware of. We also are breathing with the information. You know understand? He's aware of many and he's handling them. Okay, ma shock nana. You know some squad where you be Bewa squad, all those one when not agree wear uniform, some they will get BSL, they use AK-47, they threaten boys. Now ma shock you. This new commissioner of police, he don't arrest many. So they Abuja as we speak. So what are we trying to say? Commissioner of police is not in support of what those guys are doing. Number one. Then number two. I beg you to watch this video. I beg share them. If you are watching this video, please share this video because it's a vital information I want to bring to the notice of all those sons and daughters. Now, all those that are not in those states that are crossing those states. You know the trouble. I say police go see stop una harass una. Please share this video so that everybody go there aware. Anywhere therefore harass you for Benin innocently, not be una way be criminal. I don't say even this video now. Better innocent people they watch out, some criminals see they watch out. If you are a criminal, they manhandle you. Then you call the beg, may they free you to go. You use money, bribe some of them, may they let you go. Oga, they not collect your money because now you be criminal. Commissioner of police now don't even make us know. Now say This roadblock wey full everywhere for Edo State. Not be illegal, now he set them up. Yes, they want combat insecurity because the level of kidnapping wey surround those states are too much. And the level of courtesan too much. Because to be very honest, wetin dem dey fight now this insecurity, this kidnapping, and courtesan. But some of the officers can use as an avenue to dey extort boys. All the name of Yahoo Yahoo. Because according to Commissioner of Police today, say he fight for now, no be even Yahoo boys. You know understand? You'll be like the major battle now in comfort, which is courtesan and kidnapping. So those checkpoints when they set up, no be by mistake, now he set them up. But he not set them up, maybe the reason after they extort people or dehumanize people. So if you know anybody will dehumanize you or extort you, go to the nearest police station way near that place. You know understand? Because every roadblock in this Benin, according to this commissioner of police today, the way they advise us, every roadblock, police station where they around there, any police where they control that area, they are where see the mark roadblock there. Man, you give you that information now. So any roadblock where they mark, they can't catch you now illegally. Carry una go corner, go withdraw money from an account. No checkpoint is illegal. It is either they are conniving with the DPO around that area to extort people, or the DPO around there, they are not aware that these people they are extorting you. So if you know that they have extorted you, go to police PRO, go and report.
Inspector General of Police, Egbetokun, call your boys that you left in Edo State, your police boys where you live for Edo State, go and call them. Enough is enough. All those things where they do for Edo State is enough. If they want to flex muscles, make sure they go Borno State. They are killing people in Borno State. They find people for Plateau. They find people for Enugu. Pack all of them, go there. My phone don't full for police brutality. Police do this, police do that, police do that, police do that. I am tired of posting. There's insecurity in the country. That is your work. Your work is not to be looking for youth and be telling them, if you don't call them Yahoo boy, they will call them cultists. In the name of everything when I define. Now money, go to the forest. Go and sort insecurities that you have in this country. What is your people's problem? The cause now.
Good morning, Nigerians. What the police authority have done to Edo youth as of today is a pure violation of their rights. It's pure violation of Chapter 4 of the Nigerian Constitution as amended in 1999. Pure violation of Administration of Criminal Justice, Chapter 3 to 8, 15 and 17, and a pure violation of the VAMP law. The Commissioner of Police Edo State must explain to Edo people how they arrived on their decision. Although I take exception to any forms of criminality, but the police is created by law and they must act within the confines of the law. I also use this opportunity to call on the Speaker, Edo State of Assembly, the Honorable Speaker, all the various representatives within Edo State House of Assemblies, the House of Rep member, the senators, representing the 3 senatorial districts in Edo State, to protect the interests of their people, because their constitutional responsibility, they own the people. They should ask the police authority what modalities do they put in place. As of today, like I said before, they have destroyed our youth externally. Edo youth of today, many of them in the future will not be able to contest for an election. They will not be able to do things that are meaningful to their life. And this one cause for concern. Me, I will not respect any individual that oppresses my people. I will not make friends with them. I see them as my potential enemy. As far as I'm concerned, Nigerians are the one punishing Nigerians as of today. We keep on complaining of the Caucasian ideology, what they have done to us, what the colonial master have done to us. But today, is the black man that is dealing with black man. Nigerians are the one dealing with Nigerians. The most annoying thing is that the poor in this country are the most wicked. The elites know how to reconcile themselves. The poor who have little leverage above the other poor persons of the same class sees itself as God. And that also brings me to the ideology that funds the Nigerian police force. The ideology behind it was based on brutality. to suppress those who we are agitating for independence. And that ideology is what we are still suffering today. When we had our independence, that ideology was not changed. Till today, those who had the opportunity to serve in that force see themselves as the overlord over Nigerians. And that is unacceptable. Today, Nigeria of today is different from Nigeria of 20 years ago. Nobody can shut our voice. If you look at me, I don't know fear. Fear is an illusion. It's created as an illusion, does not exist. Me, if you look at me, I'm not like those who is afraid of going to prison. I'm not afraid of it. But my priority is to liberate my people. The police cannot begin to oppress the youth. Sees every youth as a criminal. And there's a build-up now. By the time they have tomorrow, they will be saying they are criminal, they are outlaws, they are street urchins. Because there's always a reaction to an action. And when the build-up will start today, the government will not be able to control it too. That's the truth of the matter. We should look at the root cause of issues. The police should go after criminals rather than turning this law to money-making ventures. Last time I talked about Edo State Police Command is a revenue base. Nobody seems to believe me. But today, Edo State Police are now merchants because the boys, our youth, do not know their right from their left. And they take advantage of that and be dealing with them. Even when the Inspector General of Police gave a tall order that he does not want to see POS within the command, various commands, there is still POS around the various commands in Edo State. The police, as of today, has become an oppressive organ of government, and that is unacceptable to us. We must collectively reform the police. There's this young daughter, a copper. This copper has a prospect as a future daughter who has graduated, is still serving in Edo State. This thing happened around Abudu. The men of the Nigerian police force stopped him and opened his phone. That was against section 37 of the Constitution. They break into his privacy and they saw his fine card that he snapped. They says the Yahoo boy. They forced him to an ATM machine and removed his money. They left the man stranded. If I, Amausa, still with a gun, is armed robbery. How come a policeman will collect money for bail and such police officer is not charged for a kidnapping? That is abduction. That is purely against the anti-courtesy law and the vamp law. And such policemen ought to be tried, putting it to the CP Edo State. All the police, if you are not involved in this criminal act against Edo people, against this violation of our laws, all the police who refuses to carry out investigation must be tried for their offense. And we are going to take it up. It's not going to be business as usual in Edo State. We will resist any attempt, any organs of government that want to oppress our people. My name is Lefty Samuel NAIJA. Thank you for listening.
To be honest, this is crazy. It is crazy. If the federal government are not doing anything about it at this particular time, then you are leaving the youth, Edolite youth, with no choice. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.